What's going on, Chemical Guys family? My name is Chris, and these are the 10 things that I like to keep in my detailing bag. The first thing that I like to keep in my detailing bag is a pH balanced soap. The reason for that is because this is gonna allow me to literally detail whatever car I want. No matter what type of finish, anything, vinyl wrap, PPF wrap, matte finish, gloss finish, it's gonna be safe for it and provides a good deep clean, so keep it on me. The second thing that I like to keep in my detailing bag is a pair of headphones. I like listening to music whenever I'm doing a detailing job. I know all my detailers out there can relate, especially when you're listening to music. You feel like the job comes out a lot better. The third thing that I like to keep in my detailing bag is a set of clay bars and some clay lube. Whenever I'm doing a paint correction, I need to have everything on me to be able to prep the surface, whether it's pulling contamination or washing the car. I have 3 different clay bars here: OG, medium, and heavy. So whatever the situation calls for, I'm ready for it. The fourth thing that I like to keep in my detailing bag is a fire wax. I pulled up to jobs where some people have ran into poles, have that crazy ex that spray paints their car, or have huge scuffs that look like it's impossible to take off. Now, the butter wet wax allows me to take all that and make the car look new again. So that's why I depend on butter wet wax so much, and I keep it on me at all times. The fifth thing that I like to keep in my detailing bag is a flashlight. Now, whenever I do paint corrections, I like to look at the results, see how many scratches I left behind, just to know if I have to continue doing the job. Also, even before, some people don't see that their car is full of scratches. So I like to throw this light, show the customer firsthand how bad their paint is under an actual light. Then they actually truly see why they need a paint correction. The sixth thing that I like to keep in my detailing bag is an all-purpose cleaner. I use our Nonsense. It's colorless, it's odorless, safe to use on most of your interior surfaces. I like to use this to clean stains on fabrics, clean up a little bit of leather, vinyl, plastics, whatever it is. It's good for interior, exterior. I even pair it up with the brushes. Now, I know that I'm saying that this is the sixth thing, even though it's a couple items, but these are like Batman and Robin. They go hand in hand. You gotta keep them together at all times. This is just gonna allow you to detail the interior and exterior, and you can even dilute it, so it lasts you a while. The seventh thing in my detailing bag always is gonna be gloves. I like to keep my hands clean, especially when I'm working with any type of wax, ceramic coatings, or even compounds. I don't like getting that stuff on my hands. I think we could all relate to this. The eighth thing in my detailing bag, a good wheel cleaner and wheel cleaning brushes. Brushes like these clean spokes, lug nuts, all types of different areas on your wheels, so just allows you to get really detailed, make sure the job is. And Signature Series, good for painted, chrome, powder coated, any type of wheel that you could think of, safe for it, good cleaning power. Honestly, never let me down. The ninth thing in my detailing bag, a good dress. If you're washing a car and the trim still looks, what are you doing? Have something on you so that way you can bring trim back to life, add something on the tires that gives it a nice shine, and just have a good overall dressing that's not gonna wash off right away the next time you detail it. This is gonna last long, but also bring that nice, deep, rich black shine to all your trim, plastics, and rubbers. So always have it on. And last but certainly not least, the 10th thing in my bag, applicators. I like to keep multiple of these on me because I'm always working with waxes, ceramics, dressings. So I don't like to use the same applicator for different products. That's definitely not safe to do. And I like to keep a lot of these on me because I just run through these like crazy. And just like that, these are the 10 things that I like to keep in my detailing bag. Let us know in the comments what you like to keep in your detailing bag. And if you also want to see more videos like this, please let us know in the comments.